welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. If you're wondering, why does she have that horrible shirt on? I want you to pause right now. This is actually part 3 of a 4-part Wantable unboxing. So go watch part 1, part 2. Part 2 will tell you why I got this awful shirt on. And this is part 3. So we're unboxing now my 3rd Wantable box. The edit for this box is back to school. Okay, have only opened the box. I have not gotten in the box yet, so I don't know what's in it. Like I said in parts 1 and part 2, I have requested things via their stream. They have also sent me 2 text messages saying 16 items they have selected. I need to choose what I like and what I don't like. But I don't know what they selected to go in this box. So that's why we are here right now. I am diving in, and together we're gonna see what's in this box. Setting aside the return envelope. All right, off the top, I've got a cardigan by Staccato. So here is the brand. So I'm going to try to not show prices until the end. So it is a short cardigan. Those are the arms. So since it's a cardigan, I'm gonna try it on right now. Let's see. Okay, number 1, it does not go with this shirt. We know that. First impressions, I'm not liking it. I think I need a longer cardigan. It is split here, so you see that's a little thing. The wings, I'm not a big fan of wing shirts. So this is going to be a no for me. I think the color washes me out, similar to the color of the shirt that I'm wearing right now. And I also think I need a longer, more form-fitting one. So that's going to be a no. So let's just set that aside. But before we do that, actually, let's see how much this one was, if there's a price on it. And there's not, so we're just gonna have to wait to the end to see what the price of that one was. Yeah, no tags. All right, and this tags back here are starting to itch. All right, the next is from Wantable. Don't like it. It's very soft. It has like a waffle, and it's one of the fly shirts like I just had on. I don't like it at all. I'm gonna try it on right now. Well, no, I have to set it aside because I think I am gonna have to take this shirt off. I don't like it at all, but I'll try it off. But let's move to the next one. This sweater is very heavy. So it's gonna be a short sweater. There's the sleeves. It is I think it's gonna end up being a rolled neck sweater. It just has a zipper. So that's about how far down the zipper goes. First impressions, I like it. Actually, it might just be one of those collars that flip back. So first impressions, I like it. I don't know how this color is gonna look on me though. But first impressions, it's not a no. So that's okay, that's okay. All right, moving on. We got another cardigan. I don't think I requested this one because I know I've seen a lot of them and I questioned the material. It's kind of like the popcorn-like, but watch, I probably did request it just to try it. So it is a cardigan. It has pocket, another pocket, no buttons. So let's try it on. It's heavier weight. I was like thinking, do I need a bigger size? I feel like I need a bigger size. Or no, sorry, smaller size. Because it seems like a lot. It's hard with this shirt. But first impressions, I'm not liking it. But I'm gonna go check it out in a regular mirror. But this is really hard with this shirt on, especially when I have a hat on, my hair's like this. But let me go check a different mirror. It did not get better looking in a different mirror. This is a no. Too much material for me. Don't like the color, don't like the fabric. Price, $69. I don't think that's a bad price at all, you guys. So this one's gonna be over here. All right, Gracie has just joined us down here. Ooh, this is pretty. Next is from 78 and Sunny. It is a very lightweight sweater. That kind of collar. Sleeve. It's a really pretty color, you guys. Let's see if you can see. It's a really pretty color. This is a maybe. This is not a no. Oh, also, look at this. Oh no, sorry. My mistake. I thought there was like a slit on the side, but there wasn't a slit on the side. Oh. This is a lightweight sweatshirt. It's got a saying on it. It's got a hoodie. But I love the saying. However, before I show you the saying, it is a short sweatshirt. Can you see that? That has like a ripped, an unfinished sleeve, an unfinished bottom. You can see it's already starting to fray. Even though I absolutely love the front of what the saying is, I don't think I'm going to keep it because of it being short and unfinished. But can we get a hallelujah? Can we get a heck yes? Love that. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be a no because of that unfinished bottom on it. That's unfortunate. Okay, so we've got 3 more items in here. The next, this is kind of similar to, I know I said before and I've never seen it again and I regret it. Is it Vigos brand, and it is a sweater. Oh, it's short sleeve. I wasn't expecting that. It's actually navy blue. It's not black. I think these sleeves I think are gonna be too short for me. But I will try it on, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be too short for me. But there was a sweatshirt previously during like a sports edit that was white with black stripes. It had little tennis rackets right here, and I said no to it, and I regret it to this day, you guys. And I cannot find it back on there, so I don't know if it's just sold out or what. Jeans. Okay, so these are mica. They're mid-rise. They are straight leg jeans. Big legs. What is that? Oh, that's something happened there in production, I think. Maybe? I don't know. It's there too. It's also in the front. Now, sometimes that's okay. And it does have it on both legs. That, though, to me, definitely seems like an error. Yeah, I think something happened there. I don't think that should be exactly like, it looks like lines across the back. I'll try them on, but that's definitely going to be a no. And last but not least, another pair of jeans. This is from Just Black Denim. Oh, I like them. I love jeans that have the pockets like this in the front. Love them. I've got another pair of pants like this, though. I don't think they're the same, though. So nothing fancy on the back, nothing fancy anywhere else. They just got the really cool front to them. Okay, so I'm going to go try on and we'll get this party started. It's not me, it's you. Don't you love it? I love it. Love the color, I love the saying, but it's short and it's unfinished, so it's going to continue to fray. So the sweatshirt's going to be a no. The jeans, I like the jeans too, so I'm going to tilt it down. They're tight, so it's one of those things. It's me getting used to. Okay. So unfortunately, this is going to be a no. But let me try on some more stuff. Okay, so the sweater, I like the sweater, but it's going to be a no for personal preference because of my arms. Other than that, I like the sweater. I mean, I probably would be more comfortable with one size up, but the sweater's going to be a no as well. All right, guys. This is one of those shirts that was a definite no, but I actually like it. But here's the thing. The fabric, based on the type of fabric, it is going to pick up every little piece of lint. And I got cats. And even with a thingy, I mean, I can already see, there's already lint showing. But the deal breaker is the shirt is snagged. See that? Now, could I like return it? 100%. But this is, believe it or not, this is going to be a high maintenance shirt. And I just can't do high maintenance. So unfortunately, it's a no. Okay, let's talk about the jeans. So the jeans, I already know it's a no because of the weird lineage. But they're also like, they would really need hemmed on me. Yeah, so the sweater, I actually like the sweater, you guys. I'm just like teetering, do I need a smaller size or not? Yeah, so it's gonna be look a little weird because this is sticking out here. But I think I might need a smaller size, but then I'm also worried if I got a smaller size and it's too small, because they would have to come back and give me another one. Size, this is a large. My concerns with the sweater. So I feel like I need a smaller size, but then I'm also weird. See it stretch? Like I'm weird that it's gonna stretch out. I don't know. But I really like this sweater, you guys. And there goes Gracie. So this is a maybe. Let's try on the last sweater. Last item, the sweater. Number one, it's very, very warm, okay? Number two, it's not me. I don't like it. It's not me. This is way too much material for me. I just had to do that. It's way too much material for me up there. So the sweater's a no. Also, it's really like, yeah, you see I feel like it's gonna pill as well. So, all right, so where does that leave us? All right, this was a no, this was a no. Let's see how much things cost. Because where I'm at right now, I've got a sweater and a jean I like. Okay. So the purple sweatshirt, it's not you, it's me, crop, hoodie, and lilac, $62. I think that's too much. The cropped dolman sleeve cardigan in two-tone gray, $59. Apparently I requested that. I think that's okay pricing, but that's a no. The popcorn cardigan in light peacock, apparently I requested that, $69. The short sleeve striped sweater in cream and navy, $59. I think that's a decent price for that. The driftwood cream, so the driftwood sweater in cream marbled, $79. I requested that, and that's one I do like on. The petite straight leg jeans with the cool pockets in the front, I requested those, $118. Okay, the jeans that I have on right now, the mid-rise loose straight leg, $89. The brushed thermal dolman sleeve top, $69. And this sweater, it is on sale. It was $89. Apparently I requested it, and it's on sale for $66.75. So if I were to buy everything in the box, apparently I didn't pay anything for this box because they're not taking anything off. I know, I get deals and I don't pay attention because I get so, yeah. I just press order and then I forget. But apparently I did not pay anything for this edit, so I have nothing discounted. If I kept everything, $717.70. What happened to like you keep everything for 400 and some? But I guess that's when they had less items in the box as well. So earn cashback credits for future. 3 items, $25 off. Keep 6 items, $60 off. Keep 9 items, $90 off of future. So what do I like here? So I like the one pair of jeans and I like the one sweater. So we're just going to kind of round up, keeping those 2 items, $200. $200. All right, what am I going to do? I don't know yet. So if you watch part 1, at the end of part 1, I said, or maybe it was the beginning of part 2. Can't remember. But since I have 3 boxes here, if I check out with the first box and I get a forward credit, would that then apply to the second box before I check out? And then would that credit apply to the next box? I don't have the answer, but I mean, it's logical, makes logical sense to me. And if that were the case, there's 3 items I liked out of the first box, which would mean I would get $25 off the next. There's 3 in the next, which means I would get 25 off of this last one. I have 2. Hi everyone. My battery died right in the middle of wrapping up part 3 of the Wantable box. But wanted to jump back on here just to kind of like finish it out. But where I was going, if I remember correctly, was that I needed to sit down and figure out if you purchase items from a box, the credit going forward, would it apply right away since I have 3 boxes? I think if I recall correctly, that's where I was going with that. But I do want to wrap it up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to film part 4 of the video series. I need to sit down, count everything up, and make a decision. What am I keeping? What am I not keeping? Need to think about that because tomorrow, I am having a brain freeze. Goodness gracious. Isn't that sad when that happens? Free Spirit Designs. There you go. Free Spirit Designs. If you are a member of her subscription, she's doing a sip and savor of her fall items are going on sale. So I need to take that in consideration as well. So I'm deciding here what to keep, because I'm sure there's going to be tons of things tomorrow night that I love. So, all right, going to wrap up for here. Watch for part 4 to see what I did. What did I decide? Bye, everyone.